Hello students, a very warm welcome to you. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 17, data handling. What is data? The word data means collection of information in the form of numerical figures. That means a data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. Look at the following data. A PT teacher of class 5 listed the weight of 10 students in this way: 32 kg, 38 kg, 31 kg, 39 kg, 36 kg, 35 kg, 34 kg, 37 kg, 33 kg, 38 kg and 41 kg. Is this data easy to understand? No. Now look at this data. You can easily know which students has highest or maximum weight and which has least. So when we put data in a proper table, it becomes easy to understand. We can use many kinds of data in tabular form. To understand it in a better way, let us solve some questions. In a class of 25 children, the teacher asked what each one of them drinks in the morning. Here is a tabular representation of data. When the given data represented in a table, it is called as tabular form of data representation. A table is made up of rows and columns. The first column is name of the drink and the second column is number of children. So Horlick drinks 5 children, Milk drinks 7 children, Bonvita drinks 9 children and Complan drink 4 children. Now look at the table and tick right the correct answer of the following questions. Question number A. How many children take Horlicks in the morning? And the answer is yes, 5. Question number B. How many children take Complan in the morning? And the answer is 4. Question number C. What do most of the children take in the morning? Now tell me what we have to write. Yes, Bonvita. And the last question is how many children take milk in the morning? What we have to write? Yes, the answer is 7. The next is the following table shows the number of hours Aman spends in different activities in a day. Study it carefully and complete the following statements. And the table shows reading storybooks 1 hour, studying or doing homework 4 hours, playing 3.5 hours, watching TV 3 hours, sleeping 9 hours, eating 2 hours and other activities 1.5 hours. Now complete the following statement. Question number A. Aman spends dash hour in watching TV. Now tell me what we have to write. Yes, the answer is 3 hours. Question number B. Aman sleeps for dash hours. And the answer is yes, 9 hours. The next is question number C. Aman plays for dash hours in a day. What we have to write? Yes, the answer is 3.5 hours. And the last question number D. 4 hours are spent by Aman for dash. And the answer is yes, studying or doing homework. Let us solve one more question. The following table shows the different items brought by the children of class 5A to have a party. Study it carefully and complete the following statements. The table shows pastries brought 7 children, biscuit brought 6 children, Campa brought 8 children, patties brought 5 children and toffees brought 4 children. Now look at the table carefully and complete the following statements. Question number A. Dash children bought toffees for the class party. And the answer is yes, 4. Question number B. Dash children brought patties for the party. Now tell me what we have to write. Yes, the answer is 5 children. Question number C. The highest number of children brought dash. And the answer is yes, Campa. And question number D. Dash children brought pastries for the party. And the answer is yes, the answer is 7. Let us solve one more question. The following table shows the number of different fruit trees in an orchard. Study it carefully and complete the following statements. The table shows number of mango trees is equal to 36. Number of pear trees is equal to 17. Number of papaya trees is equal to 21. and number of orange trees is equal to 27 and grapevines is equal to 11 and mulberry trees is equal to 18. Now look at the table carefully and complete the following statements. Question number A. There are dash pear trees in the orchard and the answer is 17. Question number B. Most of the trees in the orchard are dash trees. What we have to write? Yes, the answer is mango trees. Question number C. Total number of trees in the orchard is. Now pause the video and add the number of trees and the answer is 130. So write down 130. Question number D. The least number of trees in the orchard are. Yes, the answer is grapevines. Question number E. Total number of papaya and mulberry trees are. Now do the addition of papaya and mulberry trees and the answer is yes, 39. Let us solve one more question. The following table shows the number of members of different clubs in a school. Study it carefully and complete the following statements. The table shows English club has 95 members. Music or dance club has 80 members. Mathematics club has 102 members. Sports club has 125 members and art and craft club has 98 members. Look at the table carefully and complete the following statements. Question number A. How many members are there in the mathematics club? And the answer is 102. And how many members are there in the music or dance club? And the answer is yes, 80. Question number B. Which club has maximum members and how many? Now tell me, which club has maximum members? Yes, the answer is sports. So write down sports club. And how many members are there in sports clubs? Yes, the answer is 125. Question number C. There are 95 members in the dash club and the answer is yes, English club. Question number D. The art and craft club has dash members. What we have to write? Yes, the answer is 98. Thank you. Have a good day.